Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and if you are new, welcome. Now let's get crafting. For DIY number 1, I'm taking these 3 wooden stars that I got from Woodpecker's Craft. I am an affiliate and my link is in my description box below. And I chose some white paint, red paint, and Waverly chalk paint in Ocean, and I gave each star 2 coats. And now they're all dry. I'm taking a little of the Ocean, a little red and a little white, and a dry chippy brush, and I'm distressing. I distressed the white one with a little of the red and the blue. And the blue one with a little of the white as well as the red, and I went around the border or the edges just to highlight them a little, and I did both sides. And this is a rub-on transfer from Dollar Tree, Patriotic, so I'm taking out or cutting out words that I think would fit perfect on the stars. And this one says stars and stripes. And for the white one I chose Patriotic, but it did not come out as I had planned. It messed up, so I had to change that. And for the blue I chose Fireworks, and here they are all done. And these are reversible. You'll see what I do with the other side in the final reveal. So now I took a makeup sponge and I am applying some Mod Podge. You don't want to use a brush on here because it's going to aggravate and mess up your transfer. Now this video is a part of the First Friday Open Challenge, which is hosted monthly by Lisa from Our Grey House and Sarah from Jujubee's DIY, and this month guest host is Charlene from the Crafty Art Shop. I will leave links to these ladies' channels in the description box below. You have to check them out because they are very talented and doing some great work. Now for DIY number 2, this is also from Woodpecker's Craft, and I painted this with the white acrylic paint, and this is also double-sided. I did the first side 2 coats, and then for this reverse side I took the paint and I just gave it like a streak of white paint. And then I covered it with some masking tape. And here I am going in now with the red apple barrel candy apple. And I had to give that 2 coats. And I'm taking my time just to make sure I don't mess up the white part that I already painted. So I dried in between coats. And then for the bottom half, I painted that with the Ocean chalk paint. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. So now our little sign is all dried and I'm removing the tape. I love this part. And then I selected the word America from our rub-on transfer, and I'm going to place that right in the middle. Rub that on, and you have to be careful when you're rubbing on as well because you don't want to mess up your transfer. But these went on so easy. So that's America with some stars, and see how nice it looks right there. Now I then took the other side and I selected another piece of the transfer. Rub that on in the middle. Are you enjoying the video so far? I know you are. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? And peel that off, and that looks so cute. Now it was looking a little too bland, so I took this gold paint pen or marker that I got from Crossfire, and I'm just going around the edge with some stitch lines. And for the blue part, I just gave that one solid line right across. And then for the reverse side, I went around and I did this stitch line with that as well. Took one of the little burlap bowl, glue that in the center, and then here I am just applying some Mod Podge over the transfer to seal it. And that's done. More in the final reveal. Now these are another set of rolling pin from Woodpecker's Craft, and I painted one in red, one in blue, and then went over that to distress it a little bit, just like I did for the other one, with some white paint. And after it dried, I applied some Mod Podge. I took the paint pen again and I wrote the words USA on both of them, and then went across the top just with a straight line, just for decorative purposes. And then took two of the burlap bowls, glued those on, and these mini rolling pins are done. For DIY number 4, I found this piece of scrap wood and it's already painted white, so I'm just painting the edges, the raw edges, with some of the white paint. Now for the back part, I decided to cover that with a piece of brown paper. Now to embellish this a little bit, I took the distressing brush again and just went across the top left corner with that, and then took the red paint pen and outlined that, and then took the USA transfer and transferred that on. And like I did for the others, I just used the makeup sponge with some Mod Podge to seal that, and that's basically done. Now for DIY number 5, this is a scarf or bandana and I'm going to make a little cushion. So I'm just cutting out a piece that has the stars on one side and the stripes on the other, and I folded that in two. And then to get the inside seam effect, I flipped it on the right side and then placed the glue on the inside and cover that. And if you wanted to see how I made a cushion using just hot glue, I'll leave that video right here so you can check that one out. And after I glued all the corners or the seams, I turned it over and forced out the corners. And I had this little amount of polyfill remaining from my cushions. I placed that in the middle. And here I'm just turning in the seams, and then I am going to glue that down. And this little cushion will be done. Well, not quite. I decided that I wanted to jazz it up a little bit more. So I had this burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree and placed that right around the top to embellish it. We made it to the final reveal, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. Let me know which one of these reversible Patriotic DIYs was your favorite today. I know which one is mine, but that is just me. I don't count, right? I want to thank Lisa and Sarah for having me join them on this playlist today. And I wasn't sure I was going to be able to make it, but I did. And guys, if you enjoy budget-friendly content like these, don't forget to check out the host channels in the description box below, as well as the playlist. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so before you leave, and don't forget the bell, because that will let you know whenever I upload new content. For more budget-friendly content, so I suggest this video right here and this playlist. Until my next video, take care, my friends. Bye.